How to show battery percentage on Android. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can show battery percentage on Android. In order to do so, you will need to adjust your settings. First of all, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel, and here tap on the gear or the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen in order to open your settings. Now once you're on the settings page, here look for notification option. Once you locate it, you will need to simply tap on the notifications and then you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to look for advanced settings option. Simply tap on advanced settings. And now here you will need to look for status bar section and under it find and locate the option show battery percentage. You will also see the toggle button at the right side of this option. You will need to simply tap on the toggle button in order to turn it on. And soon after doing that, you'll be able to see the battery percentage at the top right corner of your screen near your battery. In case if you didn't see this option, you may also use the search icon at the top right corner of your settings page, and there in the search bar you can search for battery percentage, and then you'll be able to see the similar feature that is available on your Android device. So by following these steps, you should be able to show battery percentage on your Android device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.